Today I'm going to show you how to turn this book into this clock. Isn't it cute? So I was shopping at Malware's Trading Post once, and I saw this guy where he took these old books and he turned them into clocks, and I thought, that's the coolest thing ever, and that I can totally do it. This is the finished product. Isn't it adorable? For all of you book lovers, either you're gonna love this or you're gonna hate it because I have to mutilate a book. But it still turns out really cute. And I mean, look at this damn thing. It's adorable. It's a little clock. It's a little book. It's informative. If you're curious about the new Webster's Library of practical information, I picked up these books at a local thrift store. They were $1.99 each, and luckily I found 3 that matched, which is good because I started one and I kind of screwed it up a little bit, so thank God I could start over. And I had a second one and a third one that I'm going to be making later. It was super important to make sure that when you get a book that it's not like too thick, because if it's super thick, then you're going to run into problems with the back of the mechanism, which is where the hook is if you were going to hang it on the wall. So I picked up the clock face at our local Michael's. Pro tip, you can always find coupons online and get 40 to 50% off. I brought it home, I went to town. I got to work. First thing you have to do is you have to kind of measure out where you want the clock face to go. If you want it to stay on the book, if you want to go above the book, no big deal. Then you need to cut out the pages, and I'm telling you, this is the biggest pain in the ever. It just takes a while, and either you can use an X-Acto knife or you can use a pair of scissors. Whatever works for you works. You can even use a Dremel. I started with an X-Acto knife and realized it was a big pain in the ass, and using a pair of scissors was totally just as easy. So once you have all the pages cut out and you're kind of feeling good about everything, then you're going to go ahead and make sure that the clock face fits inside and that it fits all of the dimensions. Then you need to go ahead and cut off the back of the book. Lastly, glue everything in the inside so that all the pages stay together, because if you don't, what'll happen is the book will flop open like this. Since it's going to be hanging, it'll just do this. And you don't want that. So I hot glued everything to kind of make sure all the pages stick together. Then I retrofit the mechanism into the back of the book, tighten it all down, put all the faces on piece by piece, make sure I'm doing it correctly, pop in the back, pop in the battery, and lo and behold, you have an adorable book clock. And you know what I love about this is they're just like really cute, interesting statement pieces. You can have these hanging on the wall in your house. People will definitely double take to say, oh, is that a book? Oh no, it's a clock. Oh my God, it's a book clock. Be sure to let me know what you think. Comment or let me know or message me or text me and be like, yo, this sucked. Or, oh my God, I had so much fun, make another one. Because I'm really excited for my next upcycle project, which is gonna be taking some fabulous books and turning them into lamps. It's gonna be super fun. So anyway, thanks for this. Thanks for coming along. And let me know what you think. Catch you soon.